Now let's define integration. The noun means to make whole in Latin. The verb means to unite or blend into a functioning whole. Interdisciplinarians associate integration with holism, unity, and synthesis. In fact, synthesis and integration are often used interchangeably because they have similar meanings within interdisciplinary studies. Integration is not a single activity, stage, or step in the IRP. It's a creative process. There's no template. Instead, it's something we must create. Integration is a process of gradual changes that take place across a series of steps, with the possibility of revisiting earlier steps and making different decisions. This process is directed toward an end result. There is a goal. Now, initially, that goal is unknown, unpredictable. Eventually, the process produces a new and more comprehensive, more complete understanding of the problem. This understanding goes by many names, including the new whole and the new meaning. Again, this understanding isn't owned by a single discipline. It's something that is created by the interdisciplinarian based on the scope of the problem and the information they collected. Different interdisciplinarians may look at the same problem and the same information, but draw different conclusions. Later in the lecture, we will define exactly what this new understanding, this result, looks like. Now let's summarize the three components of interdisciplinary integration. This is the process of evaluating various disciplinary insights regarding a problem, identifying the conflict and common ground among them, and then creating a more comprehensive understanding of the problem. Integration then is the process we use to reach our goal of more complete knowledge about the world. We will cover each of these three components in chapters 9 through 12.